People come to Paramount Performance because they want more from their car. Maybe they want more sound, maybe they want better handling, maybe they want more character. Maybe they just want a performance package that's been properly thought through. But the important thing is this, the part is only half the story. It's the advice behind the part that makes all the difference. Is it the right part for you? Is it the right part for your car? Is it the right part for the way the car is going to be used? Paramount Performance has been around for 40 years, and that kind of experience counts for a lot because in that time, a lot has changed. We've gone from the more analog and mechanical cars like this through to more modern stuff, which is turbocharged, supercharged, more electronic. So things have moved on, but people stay exactly the same. Enthusiasts just want a car that looks better, sounds better, and more importantly, suits them. But that kind of heritage gives the team a unique perspective because on a modern car, the correct path might be a pulley kit, an induction kit, could be suspension, could be exhaust, but on a classic car, it's more about improving the look, the fit, the soundtrack, while improving the durability and the finish. Two very different cars, two very different kinds of customers, but in both cases, the quality and advice needs to be exactly the same. So a good upgrade starts with understanding the car. What engine is in it? What condition is it in? And what's been fitted to it already? And what is the owner looking for? Are they looking for more power, for more response, a better stance, or just something they can live with every single day? And that is where Paramount service matters. The team can supply the parts, advise on the route, fit the upgrades, support the tuning, and help the customer avoid buying the wrong thing first. That's especially important with remaps, exhausts, pulleys, induction and supercharger upgrades, where the parts and software need to work together. So when it comes to improving your car, start with the question rather than the part. What do you want your car to do better? Tell Paramount what you drive, what you want it to do, and the team will help you to get there.